Hello everyone, a very good morning to all. So here we are going to begin this poem, The Free Man, the fourth part of your book, literature book. Here, as the name suggests, as the name of the poem suggests, the free man, the man who is free. Free means nothing to do, no obstacle, he is free. Like what? So here we are going to read in the poem. I have a penny to spend. There, thanks to nobody. I have nothing to lend. I will borrow from nobody. I am nobody's lord. I will be slave to nobody. I have a good broadsword. I will take blows from nobody. I will be merry and free. I will be sad for nobody. Nobody cares for me. I care for nobody. The poem is written by Robert Burns. The poem is written by Robert Burns. So here it begins. Like if you can see, very short poem and very nice poem it is. And just talk about the rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme is spend, nobody, land, nobody. Rhyme scheme means when the sound of words are similar. So what words are giving similar sound? Spend, nobody, no. Spend, lend, nobody, nobody. Okay. So where the sound is similar, we will give name A for the first line. A, where A is similar in line third. So A, and then in line third we will write A. Second line is nobody. This is different from spend. So we will give B, nobody B. So it's A, B, A, B. A, B, A, B will be the rhyme scheme. And rhyme words, spend, lend, nobody, nobody are same. Lord, sword, free and me. These are the rhyme words in the poem. What he want to say, the boy, the man, the free man, he is saying that I have a penny to spend, means I have money to spend. I am not giving thanks to anybody because I earn it. I have nothing to lend. I will borrow from nobody. Means if you ask my help, then I have nothing to give. As I have not taken money from anyone. So I have nothing to give and nothing to take. I am free. I am nobody's lord and I will be slave to nobody. I am not the god of anybody. I am not God. You are not slave to me and I am not slave to you. I am free. I have a good broad sword. I will take blows from nobody. Means I can save myself. No one can danger me and I am not going to just make risk for anyone. I will be merry and free. Merry, happy. I will be happy and I will be free. I will be sad for nobody. Means I have nothing to do with you. I am not going to be sad for you. Nobody cares for me and I care for nobody. Means I have not asked anybody to care for me and I have no care for anybody. I am free. Robert Burns, written by Robert Burns. He was also familiarly known as Rabbi Burns. Okay, and Rabbi Burns is the national word, means he's a poet and he written many poems. He is widely regarded as the national poet of Scotland and is celebrated worldwide. Okay, the poem is written by Robert Burns. Rhyme scheme we have discussed. I have the meaning. I have told you the free man of your syllabus. Okay, thank you, बच्चों.